Ever wondered how advertisers measure the true cost of reaching thousands of people online? The answer lies in one powerful metric: cost per mille, or CPM. CPM measures how much an advertiser pays to get 1,000 impressions of their ad. It's all about visibility, not clicks or conversions, perfect for brand awareness campaigns. Why does CPM matter? It standardizes costs across platforms and helps with budget allocation. It also reveals market competition. Rising CPM means more advertisers are bidding for the same audience. Calculating CPM is simple. Total cost of campaign divided by total impressions times 1,000. For example, if you spend $500 for 100,000 impressions, your CPM is 5. Factors influencing CPM include industry, ad format, target audience, seasonality, and platform. CPM isn't the only model. CPC and CPA focus on clicks and conversions, respectively. To optimize CPM, target your audience precisely and test different ad formats. Cost per mille is a roadmap to smarter ad spending and better brand impact. Want more marketing insights? Visit HUMANITYUAPD.com for in-depth articles and strategies.